Hence, I'm Richard, Daily Manager from Phillip CFD. All the three major US equity benchmarks, namely Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and Nasdaq Composite, ended last week modestly in the red. Notwithstanding intuitive flight towards safe havens and defense equities triggered by an uptick in geopolitical drama, reactions in the overall equity markets appeared knee-jerk and transitionary in nature. The cross-asset space sang the same tune. The eventful week prompted sharp, brief movements, but failed to gain much traction. For instance, the US airstrike in Syria and the Trump-Xi meeting stirred up geopolitical tensions, which sends gold trading briefly to a 5-month high, as well as US 10-year Treasury yield to touch a November low of 2.26%, but only on an intraday basis before reversing. On the political economic data front, market sentiment was also whipsawed by a mixed bag of labor data releases and cautious policy talks. For example, initial market celebrations for an exceedingly strong ADP private payrolls data proved to be short-lived, as House Speaker Paul Ryan reminded markets of the political gridlock over the tax reform. Market participants then retreated further into a wait-and-see mode, as the sluggish non-farm payroll number released later in the week was pretty underwhelming, although market observers widely attributed the miss to the winter weather. In the coming days and weeks, I believe market participants would switch channel away from the geopolitical drama and tune in to the Q1 US earnings seasons, which will really get going this Thursday, on the back of result releases from banking giants such as JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo. According to FactSet estimates, Q1 S&P 500 earnings growth currently stands at 8.9%, and this earnings growth momentum is expected to continue for all of 2017. Hence, clients should pay attention to whether the earnings picture is indeed sunny enough for the equity market to hang on to its current rich valuation. Clients may consider using Phillip CFD and Phillip ETF to capitalize on global trading opportunities in both rising as well as falling markets. This is all for today. Please subscribe to us on Phillip Capital YouTube channel and Facebook, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next round of market commentary. Thanks for watching.